Remember that good hair day I had the other day? It's the cowlicks, guys. The other day I showed you some OG products, but I put them over top of foundation. Today I wanted to show you what they look like without foundation. First, I'm going to start off with the bronzer stick. You need a little bit of a slip, right? So make sure you prep your skin first with your moisturizer. I'm not going to be very detailed of where I put this. I'm just going to add some nice color right around where the sun would naturally hit. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to bring it around my nose. So then I'm going to go ahead with the blush and I'm going to just whack it on and mush it all in. Doesn't that look fresh? I think I'm going to try my Yves Saint Laurent concealer because it's a little bit more liquidy. It might be a little bit dark, but we'll see. What a difference, eh? Don't know if I want to put an eyeshadow on today. A little bit of that powder and dust it lightly. But now I'm going to add the dew back where I want it. So this is the highlighting stick and I'm just going to place it back where I want it to go. I wonder if this blush would work for lipstick. That does. If you are one of the lucky ones that has a nice thick brow at 50, I am so jealous. They don't have to be perfect because this isn't a perfect look. Did blow dry my bangs. The rest is messy, but that's okay. So this just shows it doesn't have to be complicated. I hope this gives you ideas. I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye. Remember that good hair